Now, walk towards me. Excellent, that's good. Keep coming. Stop. And start posing. Yeah. Excellent.
I think the other one was better.
Fantastic. Keep posing, you're doing really good. Keep going.
I can't anymore.
You're doing really good. It's going to make a nice little video. That's it. That's good. Yep, excellent. That's it. Keep going. That's good. Off your shoulder. Check it off your shoulder. That's it. Excellent. Fantastic. Give me some more poses. That's it. That's it. Walk around for the camera. Stop. Excellent. That's it. Wonderful. That's good. That's good. Go on, play with your boots some more.
What?
Go back on the wall and play with your boots. That's it. That's good. Excellent.
That's the...
Nearly finished, nearly finished. Nearly finished. A few more poses, and when you're finished, walk towards me and do what you just did. So for 30 more seconds. That's it. A few poses, that's it. Fantastic, that's it. Excellent.
And...
Yes, yes, yes. Excellent, thank you.